Yeah, actually, we're hiring right now. We're
Okay.
hiring. We're always like looking because
Okay.
it's really hard to find really like good installation crew. And yeah, there is a labor shortage. We're actually hiring an office personnel right now.
Okay.
And I believe we're listed on Indeed. So I think that's where you can find us. You can also find us on our website, acguyoftampa.com. You can just apply right there or give us a call. But we definitely obviously do a thorough screening. Office personnel is a little different than field staff, obviously, but we want to make sure people have experience. Greg talks to them about their certifications if they have any, what that would look like to get them there. We definitely want to make sure that they're good at what they do. Like Greg screens everybody who comes in. So a big thing that what happened when we transferred from like a small Greg goes out on every call to other people is Greg's still the one hiring everybody. So
Right.
he's still the one making sure that he feels confident in them.